80s rockers weigh in on Tom Cruise's performance in Rock of Ages. Hi everyone, I'm Shanine Lozano for Stereotude. The rest of the world will have to wait until tomorrow to see the musical Rock of Ages, but if you have status, like your songs are featured in the movie status, you already had the chance to size up Tom Cruise's performance as a rock star from the 80s. Def Leppard was on the set when Tom sang the band's hit, Pour Some Sugar on Me. It was awkward for the cast at first, but when Def Leppard's frontman Joe Elliott shouted, quote, "Oh my God, he is effing better than us," it was a wrap. The guitarist from The Foreigner, Mick Jones, admitted that he was taken back by the news at first, saying, quote, "It was a little bizarre having Cruise sing our music." He also said that he hoped Tom would get his voice coaching from them, but no dice. But in the end, Mick was pleased with Tom's performance and even called him great. But you decide if Tom can add Rock God to his resume. Let us know what you think by commenting or tweeting us at Stereotude.